morning children, happy to see you all again. In previous session we have learnt about food preservation and how to preserve the food. In this session we are going to learn about nitrogen cycle. First of all, what is this nitrogen? Did you have any guess about nitrogen? Nitrogen, it is nothing but it is a chemical element. Okay, nitrogen, it is nothing but it is a chemical element. It is a chemical element and it is represented by the symbol, it is N. Okay, N means it is nitrogen and it is an essential component for the life in the earth. Essential for life. And the percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere in the gas stage, it is 78% of nitrogen, it is present in atmosphere. So 78% of nitrogen, it is present in the atmosphere, which is the highest percentage of all gases. And next, it is present in the protein. It is also the components of protein. Components of protein. You know the components of the food, right? It is the carbohydrate, proteins, fat, vitamins. So in protein, this nitrogen, it is one of the component. And next, it is also present in the organic matter and in food, and also it is in the explosives. Explosive, and in poisons also you can see this component. Okay, poison. And anyhow, it is useful in many ways, but excessive of nitrogen, it is excessive, it may leads to harmful for all the living organism. Okay, it is very harmful. If it is in an excess condition, it is very harmful. So this is a small intro about the nitrogen. And next we are going to move about the nitrogen cycle. So by the term cycle, you can able to understand that the nitrogen, it is going to rotate in a circular motion. So it is from the atmosphere to the terrestrial, that is to the land. So here in the nitrogen cycle, we are having the various steps. In the first step, it is a nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation. So by the term you can able to understand the nitrogen, it is fixed in the terrestrial. Okay, that is in the land, it is get fixed. So the nitrogen component, it is converted into ammonia with the help of some of the bacteria. Okay, you have learned in your lower classes, right? The plants, they cannot take the nitrogen compound directly. So with the help of rhizobiums and the blue-green algae, they convert this nitrogen and they take it in the usable form. So this is about the nitrogen fixation. And next process, it is nitrification. Nitrification. So in this process, if you see, this ammonia, it is get converted into nitrites and nitrates. First it is converted into nitrites and later it is converted into nitrates. Okay, so this is also done with the help of the bacteria. Here the ammonia, it is converted into nitrites with the help of Nitrosomonas bacteria, and here it is converted to nitrates with the help of Nitrobacter. So with the help of the bacteria, this form of nitrogen, it is getting converted. Okay, the next step, it is assimilation step. What is the next step? It is assimilation. So in assimilation, it is nothing but it is the nitrogen compound, it is entering into the food web. Okay, it is entering food web. So the form of nitrogen, it is absorbed by the plants through the roots and it enters into the animals and human beings via the plant. So this process, it is called as assimilation. And next step, it is ammonification. this ammonification? Ammonification process, the waste which is excreted by the animals and the human beings, that contain the nitrogenous waste, as well as the dead and decaying organisms, that is the matter which is decaying matter. So that also contains the nitrogen. This nitrogen, it is mixed with the soil, and with the help of bacteria, it is get converted into ammonia. Okay, so in this step the ammonia is get produced. Okay, that process it is called as ammonification. And the final step, it is denitrification. What is this? Denitrification step. So in this process, the nitrate, it is converted into nitrogen and it is entered into the atmosphere. Okay, so the nitrates, it is converted into the nitrogen and it released into the atmosphere. So now again the nitrogen, it reached the atmosphere. Then the cycle gets starts from the nitrogen fixation, nitrification, and assimilation, ammonification, and denitrification. So this is about the nitrogen cycle. Now we are going to align the steps in the circular form. Okay. First, we told that nitrogen, it is present in the atmosphere. So I'm writing here as atmospheric nitrogen. Atmospheric nitrogen. So from the atmosphere, it has to reach the land. Okay, that is via two step. From it is by the bacteria, by the action of bacteria also it is reaching the land. That is by the bacteria, rhizobiums and the blue-green algae. So this bacteria, it fixes nitrogen. Fixes nitrogen in soil. Okay, so this process it is called as nitrogen fixation, and some of the bacteria which helps to fix the nitrogen compounds, nitrogen in the nitrogenous compounds. Okay, so fixes nitrogen, that is nitrogen in nitrogenous compounds. Okay, and this reaches the soil. Okay, compounds of nitrogen in soil. Okay, by this is one way they can reach the soil, and another way it is by the lightning process. So by the lightning process also this reaches the soil. Okay, so this process here, it is nitrogen fixation and nitrification process. It reaches the soil. From the soil you can able to understand that here the plants that grows in the soil use this nitrogen. Okay, this nitrogen as a fertilizer or a manure. So here it is uptake by the plants for their growth. Okay, so this is uptake by the plants, and this plants it is eaten by the animals. So animals, they consume the plants, and next from the animals the waste is get excreted. So this also have the nitrogenous component, and it is a decomposition process. Okay, decomposing process it is also happening. So here this releases the nitrogenous component, that is ammonia. This is the ammonification process which reaches the soil here, and later it is converted into nitrates, and this nitrate it reaches the atmosphere. So here it is in the gaseous form. Okay, gaseous nitrogen, it reaches the atmosphere. So it reaches the atmosphere. Okay, so this is the cycle of nitrogen. So from the atmosphere, it reaches the soil via two ways. It is by the lightning and by the bacteria. Here it is called as nitrogen fixation, and here next step it is a nitrification, and next it is reaching the plants through the roots, and it enters into the food web, that is the assimilation process, and waste excretion and the decomposition process. Ammonia is get produced and mixed with the soil, and nitrates, through the nitrates it is get converted into the nitrogen and it released into the atmosphere. So this is the nitrogen cycle. It is a very essential process also. So if you see that if the ammonification process, if it is not happening here, this decomposition process will not happen. So with the help of the bacteria only, this decomposition process is happening and it reaches the soil. So this also enrich the soil with the nutrient which gives a plant for the better growth. Okay. And next thing, it is synthesis of chlorophyll in the leaf. It is also with the help of this nitrogenous component. So nitrogen, it is very essential for the survival of the life. Okay. So if it is in the excessive also, it is very harmful. This is about the nitrogen cycle. Thank you, children.